Hi, Central Florida. I'm 𝐬𝐭 𝐋𝐢𝐬, your friendly local realtor and investor, and I've got something amazing to show you today. This is one of my latest renovation projects right here in beautiful Orlando, 5312 Kingswood Drive. Old floors, tired cabinets, and a layout that just didn't work for modern living. But we saw the potential, and we got to work. We also added some fun design touches throughout, like this cool light fixture in the dining area. It's just a nice, subtle way to add some character to the room. Every corner of this home was touched with care, and it's ready for its next owner. When we first stepped into this house, it had great bones, but it was definitely stuck in the past. It's close to everything: shopping, dining, and entertainment. Plus, it's in a great school district, and now look at it. We opened up the space, added luxury vinyl plank flooring, updated the kitchen with modern finishes, and created a light, bright, and open vibe perfect for today's buyers. I'm 𝐬𝐭 and I'd love to connect. Here is that before and after. See how much we transformed the space? This place has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 2-car garage, and it's located in the desirable Conway area. This isn't just a flip, it's a transformation. If you're looking for a beautifully renovated home in Orlando, or if you're just curious how I can help with your next real estate move, give me a call. 𝐬𝐭 𝐋𝐢𝐬, Realtor and Investor, Central Florida.